Sparrow. A sparrow is a small and cute bird with brown feathers. It chirps sweetly and is often seen near houses and trees. It likes to eat seeds and grains and moves quickly from one place to another. Parrot. A parrot is a colorful bird with a curved beak. It can mimic sounds and even talk like humans. It lives in trees and enjoys eating fruits, seeds, and nuts. Crow. A crow is a black bird that is very intelligent. It makes a loud cawing sound and lives in cities and trees. It can eat many different types of food and is very adaptable. Pigeon. A pigeon is a soft and gentle bird with gray feathers. It makes a cooing sound and often lives in cities and buildings. It likes to eat grains and seeds. Peacock. A peacock is a large and beautiful bird with bright, colorful feathers. It has a long tail that it spreads like a fan. It lives in forests and makes loud calls. Eagle. An eagle is a powerful bird with strong wings. It flies very high in the sky and has sharp eyes. It lives in mountains and hunts small animals for food. Owl. An owl is a night bird with big round eyes. It can see clearly in the dark and makes a hooting sound. It lives in trees and hunts small animals at night. Duck. A duck is a water bird with a flat beak and webbed feet. It quacks and lives near ponds, lakes, and rivers. It can swim easily and also walk on land. Swan. A swan is a large white bird with a long neck. It swims gracefully in lakes and rivers. It is calm and beautiful and often stays in clean water areas. Hen. A hen is a domestic bird that lives on farms. It clucks and lays eggs. People take care of hens, and they eat grains and small insects. Turkey. A turkey is a large bird with a fan-shaped tail. It makes a gobbling sound and lives on farms. Turkeys eat grains, insects, and plants, and they often walk around slowly while looking for food. Goose. A goose is a water bird with a long neck and webbed feet. It honks loudly and lives near lakes and rivers. Geese eat grass, grains, and plants, and often swim or walk in groups. Flamingo. A flamingo is a tall pink bird with long legs and a curved beak. It makes honking sounds and lives in wetlands. Flamingos eat small insects and shrimp by filtering water with their beaks. Penguin. A penguin is a flightless bird with black and white feathers. It squawks and lives in cold places near water. Penguins swim very well and eat fish, krill, and other small sea creatures. Ostrich. An ostrich is a huge bird with a long neck and long legs. It booms and lives in deserts and open areas. Ostriches run very fast and eat plants, seeds, and small insects. Kiwi bird. A kiwi bird is a small, round, brown bird that cannot fly. It whistles and lives in forests. Kiwis use their long beaks to find insects and worms in the soil for food. Woodpecker. A woodpecker is a bird with a strong beak. It taps loudly on tree trunks to find insects. Woodpeckers live in forests and eat bugs and small insects hidden in the bark. Kingfisher. A kingfisher is a colorful bird with a long, sharp beak. It chirps and lives near rivers and lakes. Kingfishers dive into the water to catch fish and eat small aquatic animals. Seagull. A seagull is a white and gray bird that lives near the sea. It cries loudly and eats fish, crustaceans, and sometimes scraps from humans. Seagulls are often seen flying over water. Falcon. A falcon is a strong bird with sharp eyes and a curved beak. It screeches and lives in mountains and open areas. Falcons hunt small birds and animals with fast and precise flying skills. Hawk. A hawk is a powerful bird with sharp eyes and a hooked beak. It screeches loudly and lives in forests. Hawks hunt small animals and birds for food, flying swiftly to catch their prey. Canary. A canary is a small, bright yellow bird that sings beautifully. It lives in trees or cages and eats seeds and fruits. Canaries are often kept as pets because of their melodious songs. Robin. A robin is a small bird with a red chest. It chirps and lives in gardens and parks. Robins eat insects, worms, and berries, and are often seen hopping on lawns. Bluebird. A bluebird is a small bird with blue feathers. It sings melodiously and lives in trees. Bluebirds eat insects, berries, and seeds, and are considered symbols of happiness. Hummingbird. A hummingbird is a tiny bird with iridescent feathers. It hums as it flaps wings very fast. Hummingbirds live in gardens and feed on nectar from flowers using their long beaks. Vulture. A vulture is a large bird with a bald head and rough feathers. It hisses and lives in deserts and open lands. Vultures eat dead animals and play an important role in cleaning the environment. Crane. A crane is a tall bird with long legs and neck. It calls loudly and lives in wetlands and lakes. Cranes eat small fish, insects, and plants, and are graceful when walking. Heron. A heron is a long-legged bird with a sharp beak. It croaks and lives near water bodies. Herons eat fish, frogs, and small aquatic animals by standing still and hunting carefully. Stork. A stork is a large white bird with long legs and a long beak. It clatters with its beak and lives near water. Storks feed on fish, frogs, and insects, and often nest in tall trees or rooftops. Pelican. A pelican is a large water bird with a long beak and a pouch. It squawks and lives near lakes, rivers, and seas. Pelicans catch fish by scooping water into their beak pouch. Partridge. A partridge is a small, round bird with brown and gray feathers. It lives in fields and forests, making soft calls. Partridges eat seeds, grains, and small insects while hopping around the ground. Quail. A quail is a tiny bird with spotted brown feathers. It lives in grasslands and bushes and makes gentle chirping sounds. Quails feed on seeds, insects, and small plants. Magpie. A magpie is a medium-sized bird with black and white glossy feathers. It chatters loudly and lives in trees and gardens. Magpies eat insects, fruits, and small animals, and are very intelligent birds. Cuckoo. A cuckoo is a slim bird with gray feathers and a long tail. It coos softly and lives in forests. Cuckoos eat insects and are famous for laying eggs in other birds' nests. Nightingale. A nightingale is a small brown bird that sings beautifully at night. It lives in forests and gardens. Nightingales eat insects, worms, and berries while hopping quietly through the bushes. Lark. A lark is a small bird with light brown feathers and a cheerful song. It lives in fields and open spaces. Larks eat seeds, insects, and worms, and fly high while singing. Finch. A finch is a tiny bird with colorful feathers, often yellow or brown. It lives in trees and gardens, chirping happily. Finches eat seeds, berries, and small insects. Sparrowhawk. A sparrowhawk is a small raptor with sharp eyes and a hooked beak. It screeches and lives in forests. Sparrowhawks hunt small birds and insects with quick and precise flight. Albatross. An albatross is a large seabird with white and gray feathers and a long wingspan. It calls loudly and lives over the ocean. Albatrosses feed on fish and squid, gliding for long distances in the sky. Puffin. A puffin is a small seabird with black and white feathers and a colorful beak. It makes growling sounds and lives near the sea. Puffins catch fish with their beaks and often swim in the cold waters. Toucan. A toucan is a tropical bird with a large, colorful beak. It croaks and lives in forests. Toucans eat fruits, insects, and small lizards, hopping carefully between branches. Macaw. A macaw is a large parrot with vibrant, multicolored feathers. It squawks loudly and lives in jungles. Macaws eat fruits, nuts, and seeds, and often fly in flocks. Cockatoo. A cockatoo is a white parrot with a crown of feathers on its head. It screams and lives in forests and trees. Cockatoos eat seeds, nuts, and fruits and are very playful and intelligent. Lovebird. A lovebird is a small, colorful parrot. It chirps happily and lives in trees. Lovebirds eat seeds, fruits, and vegetables and are often seen in pairs. Budgie. A budgie is a tiny green and yellow parrot. It chirps melodiously and lives in trees or cages. Budgies eat seeds and fruits and are very friendly and social birds. Myna. A myna is a medium brown bird with a yellow beak. It talks and lives in cities and forests. Mynas eat insects, fruits, and small seeds, and can mimic human voices. Raven. A raven is a large black bird with glossy feathers. It croaks loudly and lives in forests and mountains. Ravens eat insects, small animals, and fruits, and are very clever birds. Skylark. A skylark is a small bird with light brown feathers. It sings beautifully while flying high in fields and open areas. Skylarks eat seeds and insects, and their song is cheerful and long. Hoopoe. A hoopoe is a medium bird with a crown of feathers on its head. It calls softly and lives in gardens and fields. Hoopoes eat insects, worms, and small seeds while searching on the ground. Ibis. An ibis is a long-legged bird with white feathers and a curved beak. It honks and lives in wetlands. Ibises feed on fish, frogs, and small insects by probing in the water with their beaks.